Hey folks, my name is Nick and welcome to Show For Me channel, dedicated to music business. Here we'll discuss and address some of the key music business topics, like how to become successful, how to grow your fan base, and how to promote yourself as an artist. The questions that every musician is confronted with at some point in their career. We will chronologically address specific aspects in detail across our several videos. And we will cover a variety of interviews with different music industry players, like musicians, various artist managements, and more, asking for their professional opinions and perspectives on these topics, which should hopefully give you a range of practical artist development tips and a better understanding of the music business overall. Today, I will briefly run you through some of the more general aspects on how to become a successful musician. So, there are two key aspects to that: artist talent and music business elements. Now, let's take a look at them. Talent, as most know it, well, it's a common myth. No one is born as a musician. No one is born as an awesome guitarist or a drummer or a singer, although you can be born with an advantageous physique, for example, being strong, tall. But you see, if you go and ask any musician out there, I'm pretty sure most would say that it is all hard work and passion that got them where they are. So essentially, knowledge, technique, and experience comes with sustainable passion, which develops into your skill. With time, your talents become products on their own. But does being a talented artist really make you a successful musician? Well, for that, there is music business. It is a vital tool for your success. Study suggests that approximately 90% of all artists or bands stay undiscovered. So a very well-planned marketing and PR is an absolute key. Often enough, it is a very tough challenge, especially for the up-and-coming, aspiring artists, and it is almost practically impossible for the independent musicians. Audience is of an essence for any artist out there. Hence, first of all, understand your target audience, develop a solid plan and your goal for the nearest future. For example, how many gigs, concerts you are planning to book, how many fans you want to attract. And last but not the least is fan engagement. Fan engagement and modern technologies is a part and a parcel of becoming successful artists these days. Social medias are a very powerful resource in this case. Employing it skillfully helps to engage audience from all over the world on a regular basis, allowing artists to sustain their fan base and gain true fans. A lot of artists have already proven that new technologies such as crowdfunding could be a highly effective way to raise funds and to help produce new albums or even book their own shows from scratch. Nowadays, live shows are considered to be one of the most important parts of musicians' activity, since it helps to engage and interact with your audience. Also, in most cases, artists' main profit generates through live shows. Plus, it is a very effective way to promote yourself. So folks, to summarize, passion, dedication, and effective business strategy is your ultimate path to success. We will expand on these topics in greater detail in our future videos. So, tell us what you think about these topics in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our interview with Hristo Penchev, a CEO and founder at UIC Management, a full-service management company from UK. More interesting videos are on the way. Thank you for watching. See you.